Hello, Chief Revenue Officer here from S2A Modular, welcoming you to another Modular Minute. Now, many of you have been following the recent McKinsey report that I have been covering, and this segment is on number two of their nine recommendations of things that have to shift in the construction industry. And this one's called specialization. So, if we think about specialization, it comes in many different forms. Some people specialize in small modular, some people specialize in residential, commercial builds, etc. At S2A, for example, our specialization is we build everything from the power wall battery out. So it's designed to be energy efficient, low voltage, low amperage. You've heard us talk about this. In doing that, we also have some other specializations where every plant has two factory lines. One is preset to residential, one is preset to commercial, which means it can crank out multifamily housing, it can clinics, schools, etc. Now, what's important about this is we also have flex lines. Flex lines, what they allow you to do is they allow you to shift based on economic changes or demand. So you've heard us talk about demand in previous videos, but I just want you to understand that specialization is a big deal. And so in construction, this allows for efficiencies, lower costs, faster delivery times. So again, just want to give you these little snippets so that you can learn along the way. And then if you love this sort of segment that we're doing, we'll be covering the next one coming up, which is value chain control and integration. So always a fun topic of mine. So that'll be in the next one. So from all of us here at S2A Modular, hope to see you soon in another video or maybe even on a Zoom call. Take care, folks, and we'll see you soon.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thanks so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy, smart homes, and how you can become involved as an investor. Click the link below to register. See you there.